Catch the pleasing flavors of this northern gateway from the great mountains to the boundless seas. Nothing extravagant, nothing outrageous. Just the trees, the wind, and the amazing view accompanying you. The aroma of the sea that lingers through the soul is a reminiscent of childhood memories. These popular products, staple to every Filipino table, are representations of the culture of this lovely coastal town. A visual spectacle in the middle of a farm that will transport you into a new world. This is a destination where memories are made and, like a treasure, cherished and kept. I'm Ash, your serene traveler. Come be my guest and let's savor the rich culture and awe-inspiring scapes of this precious town. Dito sa Ganda Mo, Pangasinan.